In this video we're going to discuss CRA models for fraction subtraction with like denominators. So we're going to do area model and length model for concrete and random representational, and then the abstract model will be fairly straightforward. So first we have the concrete model, the area model. So we're starting with 3/4. We want to take away, right, subtracting, we want to take away 1/4. Okay, so we have 3/4. We want to take away or remove 1/4. So we have 1/4 that we can take away, so we're able to actually do this without changing how our fraction is represented. So we can take that fraction, or take that 1/4 away, and then what we're left with is 2/4. Right? We're left with two pieces, and their name or their size is 1/4 of a whole, and so it's 2/4. Okay? So that's area model, length model. Again, pretty similar. Starting with a length of 3/4, we want to take 1/4 away, so we're able to do that without changing anything. So we can take that 1/4 away, and then what we are left with is those two pieces, and they're each 1/4, so we're left with 2/4. Okay. So that's our concrete length model. Representational model. Typically what we do for subtraction, right, with like an area, a representational area model, right, we're starting with these 3/4. For subtraction, we could erase this, or we could just kind of cross this off in some way. Sometimes it's better to cross off, because if we erase it, then we can't see what we've subtracted. So this way we can kind of keep track a little better, right? More for if we have kind of multi-step problems, or if we're subtracting larger amounts, just to make sure we take the right amount away. So we have subtracted that 1/4 or crossed that out. So what that leaves is these two pieces, those two pieces are each 1/4, so we have 2/4. And then on our number line, right, this is kind of another one where we can, if we have our tick marks, right, we can just kind of think of this as jumping backward, right? So jumping in the opposite direction since we're subtracting. Right, so we're starting at 3/4, we want to subtract or move in the left direction 1/4 unit, and that will get us to 2/4. Okay. And then this is our abstract model, right? 3/4 minus 1/4 equals 2/4, and again, our fourths are staying the same in our difference, our answer here, because those are the only pieces that we had in our model. Right? We only had fourths for the area and the length model. We didn't have any other units, so that's why that will stay the same. And again, we can also think of this as 3/4 and then minus 1/4. So since we're subtracting a fourth, and we already have fourths to begin with, right, we have that same label, you can kind of think of this as a whole number subtraction problem. So we get that 3 minus 1 equals 2, and then 2 what? It'll be fourths since we didn't change our units at all.